Hi guys, welcome to my video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to step by step fill Service Canada service request form. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask us. This is your own channel. Alright guys. So guys, at this moment when Service Canada physical offices are closed, and if you need any urgent service, for example, if you need your passport urgently, but as you know that passport offices, Service Canada locations are closed and they are issuing passport only for critical and urgent reasons. So at that time, like if you see this Passport Canada page, they have clearly written like to apply urgently, complete the online form or get a call back or call this call center directly. So this form is not only just for passport, it is for other critical services also, where you can get a call back after filling it up, where your case can be discussed. So let's see how it works. Like the first thing you need to select is the language, then your first name, last name, location. This is a drop down, all the provinces here, whatever is applicable. The telephone number where you can be reached, this is definitely important because they are going to give you a call back. So once you fill this form, make sure that you pick up the calls. Do you have any accessibility need that needs acknowledgement during the call? So whatever is applicable, put it. Yeah. Now here is very important. Here you need to select the topics you need help with or select the services. Like if you need with CPP, then whatever is applicable, like select all the services that you need help with. Anything you need here, select it. Limited urgent passport services, whatever is the requirement, and then provide as much details as possible, but do not include any sensitive personal information like your social insurance number, date of birth, personal finance data, medical or work history. So provide information like, for example, if you need urgent passport because one of your family members in a different country is ill, so you need to provide the information. You need to say that what's going on, what is the relationship between you guys, and why your travel is so important. All that piece of information include, and then you submit, and then you get a call. From there you proceed further. So that is how it works guys. I know this is a difficult time because these all services are very important, and I remember when I went for my passport, it was very quick in a few years back, but now this is difficult. But anyway, in this way you can get in touch with them, and if you qualify for urgent processing of passport or any other services you need help with, they will definitely help you out. So I hope you like this video. Make sure give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.